till here. Okay, format date. So this one is more important for me because I find this is fascinating for me. Okay, format date. Basically, normally people what they use format, but this format date for me is very important, and you have to take proper care. Okay, so I'll take this example for you, and I'll slowly go to the other parts which will be required. Okay. So if I print here, so this is in this particular format. Okay, let's go first. Let's explain what they are saying. They need the first parameter to be a string. Okay, so it will be a string. If you doing this is basically AMPSQL. This is a wrapper. Okay, every AMPScript is a wrapper function to SQL queries. Okay, and they are also saying you can have either of these two format, either. Okay, not any other format. If you are using any other format, maybe it will give you a wrong value. Okay, either it has to be mmdd YYY or YYY mmdd with hyphen. Okay, it is only accepting this value for using format date. Okay, then you need a string format, date format on which you want to basically return to it. Okay, now here they're saying the value of ISO has to be a compliant value. Okay, it has to be an ISO compliant value which follows RFC 1123. You can't give any other formats that comes into your mind. Okay, and here you also have the time zone format. Okay, time format, it should be long or short, whether you want a long string or short string, or they are saying, okay, this one, okay, my mistake. This is basically saying that this part, okay, hours, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. Whether if you want to show this, it will be shown this way. And last one is again the culture code. Okay, the culture code here. So if I print this value, okay, let's see what is printing here. Okay, so it says that October 5th. So mostly I don't require this, right? So what I'll do is, if I omit this one and see what it does. I don't want the time. So if I omit, see, it is going to give you a wrong thing, right? So even if I omit the third, because this format, what I was talking in the previous session was, this has to be serialized. You can't omit the third one and say, I want to keep the fourth one, right? So that's why it was giving, if I just revert it, okay, I just omitted the third parameter and I wanted, no, I want for the US. I don't want the time. So you see, this is going to give you an error, right? This is not good, EN and something. So I'm going to change this one and I just want to print. Okay, so this is giving me a good value. Okay. Now, instead of this, if I want, say, BD, YYY, what happens? Will this take this value or not? See, okay, I can show this in this format. And if I say this for short, and then I say in US. So what happens here? Okay, so the sort is even taking you with this. See, it is giving you AM, PM, this values are giving. Okay, so you have different parameters. If I say it long, anyway, because when I'm giving this value, AL or S is basically negated here. It will give the same value for me. See, long. Okay, I can see this difference, right? So you see here. Let's say a short length, then, right? It's saying that 3:21 AM. If I make it long, okay, see the difference. It's saying that 3:21 minutes, 34 seconds. Are you people observing what I'm doing here?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay. So if I just remove all this, okay, and say if I say just sort, and let's see what it happens. See, okay. So it is trimming your seconds part, okay, and you're giving it a format of DDMMYYY. This is 10.5. This is MMDDYYY. So this will create a confusion if you don't specify the MMDD or DDMM, right? So for me also it created confusion. This is 2012 10.5, right? So this one for me is like month, is October. Here it is coming as MMDDYYY. This is the standard of the US. Okay. So it will create some confusion. So it's better if I take another one here and specify. So I'll say DD MMYYY. Let's see what it gives you. Right. So now it's giving you 5th of October 2012 and the time. I want to omit the time here. So you see, a lot of things are here. A lot of permutation combinations you can do here. Understood? That's why I was focusing on format date. You also have somebody for the date. They also sometimes what I see making a mistake is using format function. Format AMPScript. So from here also you can basically modify the date. Okay, but this is not the best practice which I want to follow. So here you have a string format. I'll go with the string format. So here they can also format. See, if I take now and print, you have that option to print. Okay, so let's see the difference. Let's see the difference. I take this one. Okay, instead of now, I'm going to take the same value and print it. Okay. So format, ये format इसको समझ आ रहा है. Okay, upper wall is little new. Let's see. So I'll make me break this out for proper visualization. Let's print this. So see, this is okay. Let's take the same formatting also to be proper. See, garbage. Hope you people are understanding what I'm thinking, which format, which particular function you have to use. See? Understood? Guys, are you following me or not?
I missed it. Why 4 Ys in the second one?
See, if I...
It's just formatting, but not the date part.
See, if I just keep this way, I'm just copying this value. Okay, so this format MMDDYYY. Okay, and I'm going to assign it, and I'm using format. And when I'm running, it is giving me the right value. Okay, so this is MMDDYYY. This one.
Okay.
Understood. There's no issue. It's printing properly. Now, if I want to modify to DDMMYYY, okay. Now I say no, I don't want MMDDYYY. I want DDMMYYY. Now what happens here? See? Understood? So you should basically avoid using format for date. You should always use the function format date.
Shashi, can we try MMDDYY for format date? I want to just check.
Format date also you want to use both. There's this one. This is
this one.
Yeah. This will take it. No. So
He's saying 2 Ys instead of 4. Right, Sumit?
No, I want to try this one. Yeah, and we can also try
This one.
YY instead of.
First, let's try this. You want this, right?
Yes, yes, please.
See? So
Got it.
if I have to format, I'll always take this function, not this one. Now you're asking me, this is a correct format. Okay, let's try it.
Cool. Yep.
Now don't tell me that let's have only one character. Yeah.
Let's try this.
See. Okay, but this is not neither with two or single. It is not good for me. So what I'll always do is I'll always specify the format. You have to follow the ISO formatting. Okay, so for me is this format date. You always for date. You always take the format date. You know.
Yep.
Now we have covered most of the thing today. Okay, and now you have this part. Concat, format. You can take this one. Note. Okay, note this down. All these functions for your personalization, and this is your use case.